Hello everyone. So I'm going to illustrate how to conduct a regression analysis. So first, you will need to download the data. Let me see where that is. Let's hide this. Hide project control. Okay. I need to log in on my Math Plus here. All right. So if you navigate to the course website down here under Unit 11, so that is all in section 4. We just finished section unit 10. So under unit 11, we are going to be doing regression and correlation. The course objective. So over here, the data we're going to be using for this exercise will be correlation and regression data as here. Okay. So click on this and download it. It's an SPSS file. And I've already done that, downloaded it, and I stored it in my folder. So go ahead and import it into your SPSS to get to this point. If you don't know how to import your data into SPSS, go back and watch video complete SPSS 1 to 3, and you of course will be able to do that. But just generally, I wanted to point out that if you'd want to bring this in, all the size we've done so far, you needed to change this to CSV, right? But this data set is an SPS data set. So it's a .sav data set. So you don't need to change anything. Once you import it, you just need to navigate to the location where you save it. Mine is in here. So once you navigate to that location, you're going to see it. The icon you have might be different from this. This is the latest version of SPSS. So the icon is slightly different. So click on that and then click on open, and you have your data in. So we're going to do two things. The first will be to generate a scatter plot and insert the regression line. Okay, so, and the second will be to conduct a regression analysis. So let's do the first one. Click on graphs, go to right. So on graph, go to scatter dots. Then ensure that simple is selected or simple scatter is selected, then click on define. The variable we'll be using for this will be achievement. So let's have achievement on the Y axis, and then have mastery on the X axis. So click on that and then use the arrow to bring it here on the X axis. That is all you needed to do. Then click on OK. And the output will be generated. Let's wait for it. So here it shows that SPSS is running on the background. So we'll just give it some time, and the output window comes up, and the scatter plot is generated. So this is the scatter plot of achievement plotted against mastery. So what we want to do is to insert a regression line here manually. So we click on analyze. Not really. So double click on the graph. It pops up this way, and then let me move this to the middle. So over here, you could see this icon here, and if you hold on it a little bit, it says add fit line. Okay, so we just click on it once. It adds the fit line, so go ahead and close all the boxes. Let's look for the output window. It's over here. So you see the fit line, fitted line, or the fit line added. So this is the regression line, and we're going to be talking about this in class. So over here, you could see the regression equation with the line, and over here is your R-square value. And we're going to be discussing all this in class. The next thing I want you to do is to go ahead and then generate your regression. Okay, so go to analyze, come over here to regression, and we're going to be conducting linear regression. So we're going to click on linear regression. We will be, again, trying to predict achievement with mastery. So we're going to make achievements a dependent variable. The machine is kind of slow, so let's give it some time. Okay, it's not responding to my click. So I'll give it some time now. Okay. No, I don't want prodigal there. I want to use achieve. So now it's responding. So move achieve to your dependent variable space, And then for the independent variable, we want to make that mass-string. Okay, so again, it's taking a while to respond. Now it's responded. So we go over here to mastery. So move your achieve from this space into the dependent variable box. Achieve here actually stands for achievement. And then mastery, move that into the independent variable space. And then click on OK. Again, this went fast. We have that produced. So 3 items we're interested in, and I want you to open your Word document, copy and paste this for further instructions in the class. So since you'll be doing this in the lab, I want to demonstrate in case you are not sure how to do that. So I want to open a Word document. It's taking a while to open. I think my computer is kind of slow today. Then all I need you to do is to copy and paste. So right click on each of the image or each of the item you want to copy. Click on copy. And then once the Microsoft Word document is open, it's still coming up here. Okay, that is a previous document. So let me open a new page. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff running and the computer is really slow. Okay, so open a new page and we want to paste, right click and paste the image. So I'm going to use paste picture so it could remain as a fixed image, and you can resize it to fit the window or to fit the document. So I'm going to move it this way, and it's inside the document. So copy and paste this. And then what else do you need from this? Copy this item here, this table here, titled model summary. So I'm going to right click copy. Also paste that in the Word document. Use Ctrl V, or you can just right click and click on paste. So go ahead and copy also the table named coefficients, table title coefficients. So I right click, copy, and again go back to the Word document, right click and click on paste. Just use Ctrl V. Okay, so I have these 3 items. You do this and then go ahead and save this with your last name. A desired location. I'm going to open this. This is where I want to save. So I'm going to write my last name and then save. Okay. So using these 2 items, we are going to answer a couple of questions. So you'll be doing something like this in your exercise that will be assigned. But using these items here, once you're done with this, paste them on Word documents, save them, and email them to yourself. Email the document to yourself, and we'll walk through this in class. Okay. All right. I will see you then. Let's see where is the control for this. Okay. I'm going to stop recording at this time. Stop recording.